MATLAB currently implements parallel computing in two different ways. MATLAB utilizes the Bash library to implement linear algebra operations, which expands the computations to any additional available cores. In addition, MATLAB includes a parallel computing toolbox to allow users to take advantage. The easiest code to parallelize is embarrassingly parallel for loops. In this type of code, each iteration of a for loop is completely independent of all others, and may be run as its own process. A Parfor parallel for loop is useful in situations that require many loop iterations of a simple calculation. Cleve Moeller, the chairman of the computer science department at the University of New Mexico, started developing MATLAB in the late 1970s. The basic concept of a Parfor loop is MATLAB is the same as the standard for loop. MATLAB executes a series of statements over a range of values. A Parfor loop is useful in situation where you need many loop iterations of a simple calculation. Parfor loop can provide significantly better performance than its analogous for loop. An outer Parfor loop which would iterate through best frequencies and an inner for loop which iterate through time. The parallel for loop, Parfor exploits task parallelism. A user expresses that the iterates of a for loop are order independent by annotating the for as a Parfor. Using Parfor, separate process is created for each worker having its own memory and own CPU usage. When Parfor is executed, the MATLAB client communicates with the MATLAB workers which form a parallel pool. The code within the Parfor loop is distributed to workers and it executes in parallel in the pool. The Parfor command, the parallel computing toolbox, provides a simple way to parallelize MATLAB for loop. The Parfor command can be used to distribute the individual loop iterations across processors without any additional code modification. To handle the large class of code, MATLAB has implemented a Parfor loop. Parfor loops are written using the same syntax as the usual MATLAB for loop. Within the Parfor loop, each iteration is treated as independent from all others, and the MATLAB built-in scheduler portions out each iteration to a worker for computation.
Created using Powtoon.